On a Sunday morning, in the summer of 2007, one of my partners received a call from one of the two heads of Soad Asset Management, a competitor of ours based in Boston. Soad had a very large and complex book of credit-related instruments. And as the credit crisis started to unfold, they found their portfolio did not behave as expected. They had lost hundreds of millions of dollars in the blink of an eye, and they needed to liquidate almost all their portfolio before the open of business on Monday to meet margin calls. We assembled a 50-person team as fast as we could. We flew 8 people to Boston to facilitate due diligence and information sharing. To acquire some or all of their $30 billion portfolio overnight was going to be a Herculean task. Now, Soad had brought in another large bank to provide a competing solution, or potentially to partner with us. We worked feverishly through the day and into the night, and I still remember that night, the senior point person on the deal from the other bank calling me for what I'm sure was his beautiful house in Greenwich. And it was certainly a beautiful house in Greenwich. And he said, look, it's getting late. This isn't going to get done tonight. I'm heading off to bed. I'm telling my guys to go home. And we'll pick this up in the morning. And I said, there will be nothing to pick up in the morning. We're going to get this done. He sort of laughed and hung up. 6 a.m. before the opening of the markets, we bought that entire portfolio. We bought the entire portfolio. Solved Soad's crisis, which brings me to a quote that describes the ethos of Citadel. Things may come to those who wait, but only those things left by those who hustle. Now, here's what I really love about this quote. Who said this? It was one of our country's greatest leaders. It was President Abraham Lincoln, who, like us, calls Illinois home.